Hello guys, in this video I will show you how I made almost $2,000 on my trade 50k account on topstep eval. So basically it was a simple continuation trade. It's not about the strategy in this video. I wanted to show you why I closed it here and why I even held it so long. So first of all, I was targeting this 4-hour level, which is here, and it just hit it perfectly and reversed. And here was a hidden base order block or something. You know, if you went to a lower time frame, here would be some sort of POI. And so why I held it? First of all, I wanted NAS to take the all-time high because it was going to the all-time high very quickly, and I wanted to close it either after it takes the all-time high or if it sweeps and starts going down. But then I went to SPX and there was also the same thing but not all-time high, and here was a POI. So I decided to close it because it was SMT on both NAS and S&P. So I decided to close it. And also the last thing why I decided to close is the initial balance breakout, which is for me, I look for the first 45 minutes, and it was literally almost for my time, and I usually anticipate reversal in these kind of days where we have like strong movements in one side. So I anticipated that it will reverse. I will show you an example of another day. Here you go. It's while New York Stock Exchange opened, it went straight up and then straight down. So I anticipated that. I could have even traded it since we had an S&T on both NAS and S&P. And yeah, today my target wasn't based on the initial balance, not based on the levels, but if I shorted it after the change in the state of delivery and held it to like 0.5 like I usually do, it would have been a great trade. Okay, so see you in the next one.